Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so you don't have to miss any videos in the near future. This is a quick review here, about the Ravpower. They make, portable batteries and bunch of electronic stuffs, for replacement batteries or whatnot. It's a company that is actually specialized for batteries anyway. But anyway, these are a replacement battery that I got, from Amazon. It's called the Ravpower battery or whatnot it's called, for my Galaxy Note 4. It's actually compatible with bunch of Android phones or whatnot, so you might as well, if you're interested, check it out. Yeah, not I understand Galaxy Note 4 is an old phone, but still I believe a lot of people out there still using the phone. I'm one of those people who use those phones, so either way. But this is the thing itself here on Amazon. You can check it out and see, read through it. It's compatible with a bunch of phones here, and it will tell you how much it weighs and whatnot, how many, you know shipping weight and all that stuff. So this is the thing itself here. It will tell you basically what you need to know before you get the phone itself. Look through it and read it. I have this battery for about probably maybe 3-4 days now. I'm definitely happy with it, with no issues. I'm a heavy user of my phone. I stream and listen to a bunch of music and so forth, GPS, you name it. But I didn't see any decrease of the battery or not holding a charge, comparing to the stock battery that comes with the Note 4. We all know how that goes anyway, so I don't have to explain that here. If you own a Note 4 or whatnot, that battery is a joke. It's not good at all. But so far so good. The battery really exceed my expectation. So here is the notes you probably want to pay attention to. It's not compatible with the Galaxy Note Edge, and does not support NFC, which a bummer, but hey, I can still live with that. And it says here, if you notice a decrease in the battery life, slide 2 sheets of paper underneath the battery to improve connection of the battery on the phone. Please make sure to use the official certified product or whatnot. But I haven't seen none of those things that they mention here. The only thing is it does not support NFC, which I don't really care anyway, me personally. So I don't know if you do or not. But okay, enough of that talking here. I'm gonna open this little box here and show you guys what probably you might expect or whatnot if you're interested in getting the battery. Well, not to mention the price itself, which is important. I think it's about $12 to $13, including shipping. Yeah, $12.99. Including shipping. So which is very fair. That's a fair deal to me anyway. So can't really complain. This is the battery itself here. Got some weight to it. You can feel it. And this is what comes out of the package. It says Ravpower. It's a company, you can check it out. This, either you want to activate your device or whatnot, for warranty purposes, of course. You have 180 days of free return, and so forth. You can read it through and see. Not a bunch out of it. I'm gonna open my Note 4 here and put it in there just to show you guys how well it sits in the battery compartment. This is the old battery that comes out of the Note 4, the stock battery. This is not good. You don't want to use this thing. It's still well in there. I can move it around. It doesn't fall off or whatnot. So that tells you how well it's seated in there. Yeah, but like I said, this is just my own personal experience owning the battery. It holds charge really good. I charge it. It takes me a whole day without having the need to charge it or whatnot. So check it out. If you own a Note 4 or whatnot, why not give it a shot? Not too expensive and very compatible with a lot of phones out there. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends or whatnot. I will catch you guys in the next one. and stay blessed, and share the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.